Hey guys, welcome to this video on how to work at the speed of thought in Delibr. It's going to be quite a basic video in terms of we're going to look high level at how to work in a document in Delibr using keyboard shortcuts to be rather quick about it. And starting off, I can say that a lot of the keyboard shortcuts that we will look at in this video, you can see or you can find yourself in this keyboard shortcut wizard down here. And if you don't find them there, you can always search for help. We have a help center article that explains all of the shortcuts that we have. But anyways, let's get into this. So this is a document I just created, the Summer 21 Vacation Planning document. It's a document that I will use in real life together with my fiancée Elin when we ideate and plan our upcoming vacation. So the first thing I wanted to show you guys is how to create a bullet and how to move that bullet in and out of the structure. So let's say that we have document background here, like we have, and I want to create a sub-bullet that explains the document background. What I would do is hit enter to create a bullet underneath document background, and then I would hit tab to indent it, creating a bullet that is a sub-bullet of document background. And now I can start to write, for instance, the document background. So this document will be used when we plan and ideate on our vacation. So now that I invite Elin to this document, she will understand the reason for this document and why it exists. So that's fantastic. If we go down a bit, so to give you some background as well, I guess. So outliners are fantastic for creating lists because of they are lists, but they're also fantastic for brain dumping and then organizing your ideas in a really fast way. So we can give the example here of places we want to visit, and let's say that we start to think about the actual places that we want to visit. So maybe we have Los Angeles, maybe we have New York, London, maybe we have Paris, and we have, I don't know, Pretoria in South Africa. And now we have a list of places we wanna see. But now we realize that actually a bunch of them have stuff in common. So for instance, Los Angeles, New York, they're both located in North America. So we want to group them together. And the way that we do this is by creating a category, a bullet above Los Angeles and New York. So I would go up here, I would click enter, and then I create North America as a section. And then I have to select these. So I have to take Los Angeles and New York. And the way that I selected them was by holding down Shift. So I go back. You can stand anywhere here, doesn't matter. But Shift down and then the arrow key down to select one and another one to select New York as well. And now I can tab and move both of these into or underneath North America. If I now hit enter, I will create a bullet that is underneath New York. So then I would hit Shift Tab to unindent it, go Europe, then go down, select the two, tab it in under Europe. Now, at this point, we have a document that's starting to look like something. But one thing that at least I can find a little bit disturbing is when you have a bunch of levels like this, it starts to become hard to read the document and make sense of it all. So I like to constantly collapse the sections that I'm not working with right now. In this case, it could be, I guess it would be Europe and North America. We're done with them. We have the things that we want to capture there. So the way that we will then collapse, because that's a neat feature that you can do in an outliner, is by hitting control and space. So I hold down control and then I hit space, and that collapses that section down. And then I use keyboard just to go up to North America, and I do the same here. And you can do this anywhere, and if you control spacing on something that's already collapsed, so for instance North America in this case, it will instead expand to show you what is inside here. So this is the same as clicking here, but you know, keyboard shortcuts much faster to work. Yeah, so that's how you create bullets, how you move them in and out of the structure. You can also move them up and down. So let's say that we have North America and Europe here, and we want to move them down. Then you can go Control arrow keys to move it underneath Pretoria. We can go Control arrow key to the left to move it to the left in the structure, or to the right as well. So there's a bunch of them like that. I'm gonna stop here for the first lesson. If you're brand new to outliners, I think that this could be helpful. If you have worked in them before, this was probably repetition, and then you can move over to the next video that comes after this. Thank you so much for looking, guys, and good luck in mastering the outliner. Bye.